Welcome guys, Cream Bath back again with another reaction video.
I need you in my life. Please babe, don't go switch his eyes.
To look and check out OFB Lowkey Playtime done. Alright, so I'll jump into this and see what I'm gonna feed. Begin. I actually really respect Lowkey. I like his vibe. OFB. The word they mean. Bullet.
Playtime done. Who want war with the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole of them run, ready or not, the whole them I come. Playtime done. Who want war with the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole of them run, ready or not, the whole them I come. Full of drip, you know see me dear, my style is real.
Yo,
that's why I run off of it and steer. Which one of them is there? I want phone call it text him and here. Which one of them is there? A holy pack on when man have to cheer.
Yo, without the lie. The man vibes are thick, bro. You see me, and him flow is simple, him not go too OD, him not cringy, him not. That's how I rate him style, you see me?
But you know, so we hot. Here upon them, me no heen on a block. Me brown in thick, me no heen on a crop. Cute look of face, nothing no rough. War is war, we have fear enough. Money a pile up, money
what? Did that Jamaican wrong?
When them CB, them boy best dust. Sweep them wet, like how one brush. All of you, I get brush.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? We all know say water in the rum buckle. There's no way she can drink rum like that without anything in it.
Me crush, push down script on them without touch. Man, I read gang, you know, so that blood. Me say anyway, them dead, we are gonna speak blood. Don't say I will speak to the world and back. Man, violate, respect the firm. We not talk about that. Best protect your head and back. All of the hops get what? Chip out all them a crack. Man, I read bad man.
I mean, you after have the girl in the back.
Playtime done. Who want war with the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole
them I look a red rum, that's an apple time.
The whole them I come, playtime done. Who want war with the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole of them run, ready or not.
Wow, man, here for to clean.
Like
brand new.
You might get chopped. Which you prefer? Them ones that we out to be left on top. Mine you catch your head shot. Shot 17 in this Glock.
17 in this Glock.
Catch one of you do fear rock. Climb on them, we not give them break. Blue like devil, no we not break. Anytime step out, no we step straight. Full up the tank and full up the gate. Full up the ride and touch on a stage. Turn up the place, then touch on a stage. Enough yellow wine and broke. For them waist to the gang done.
No man, she not the real one, man. She get the stiff one.
With the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole of them run, ready or not, the whole them I come. Playtime done.
Playtime done.
With the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun. Rum, me a look a red rum, ready or not, the whole them I come. Run, but the whole of them run, ready or not, the whole them I come. Playtime done. Who want war with the whole best run, you might get burned. Enough of them chapter we name, them I forget light, them I forget stun.
Boy, if be a play now. Boy, if be the play the blood killer. B8. You know, one of the new shit that you know. Playtime done. Alright guys, that's the innovation video to OFB Lowkey. Playtime done. You see me? I mean, I say I respect Lowkey. You see me? Because he's one of those artists where just know how to doing things and know how to ride the rhythm and you see me, and he does have a chill attitude with him rhyme, with him rhythm, with him song. So I'm not really sure if he's Jamaican, I'm not really sure. Let me know where Lowkey was born. If he was born in England or Jamaican, go to England or born in somewhere in the Caribbean. Let me know what's going on. Alright, so anyway guys, peace out. Enough love. Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. All those good things, share the video, make the video go viral, make it just push out there. Make the channel grow, bro. You see me? So enough love, peace.